Welcome to a world of well-being, brought to you by Health Spectra. Have you ever felt like your alarm clock is more of an enemy than a friend? Waking up with a jarring noise can set a tense tone for the rest of the day. But guess what? Silent alarm clocks are here to change that. Let's dive into why these gentle wake-up gadgets could be the game changer for your mornings. Getting out of bed sets the tone for our entire day. A peaceful wake-up can significantly boost our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Silent alarm clocks provide a gentle start to the day, avoiding the abruptness of traditional alarms that can cause stress and anxiety. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. Now, let's dive back into the video. 7 silent alarm clocks. Wake up gently for a relaxing start to your day. Number 1. Philips SmartSleep HF3520/60. Known for its sunrise simulation and customizable alarms, it promises a gentle transition from sleep to wakefulness. User reviews highlight its effectiveness in promoting calm mornings and improving productivity. Number 2. Hatch Restore. This multifunctional device combines a sound machine, smart light, and silent alarm. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive approach to their sleep and wake-up routine. For more detailed information, visit healthspectra.com. The links to each of these products are in the description below. Number 3. FUNFOR Sunrise Alarm Clock. Affordable yet packed with features, it offers customizable alarm sounds and brightness settings. It's praised for its simplicity and ability to foster a calm morning. Number 4. DreamSky Compact Digital Alarm Clock. Compact and straightforward, this clock is ideal for those who want a no-fuss, silent wake-up solution. Its gradual wake-up feature is a favorite among users. Number 5. Vivilumens Sunrise Alarm Clock. With an ergonomic design and easy-to-use interface, it offers a reliable and user-friendly wake-up experience. Number 6. JALL Wooden Digital Alarm Clock. A budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on essential features. It's known for its dependability and simplicity. Number 7. Rocam Digital Alarm Clock. This premium option combines stylish design with advanced features, catering to those who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality. In a nutshell, a silent alarm clock can transform your mornings from stressful to serene. With features like sunrise simulation and customizable alarms, you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. So, if you're tired of starting your day with a jolt, it might be time to switch to a silent alarm clock and enjoy a more peaceful morning routine. Happy waking! If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the upcoming video. Be careful and continue to be well.